Alright guys, coming at you with another stationary, make our life living arrangements better video. Today we are going to work on this bad boy. It is a refrigerator in my mother-in-law's garage, and as you can see it is pretty much empty all the time, and so we are going to utilize it as an extension to the small refrigerator that we have in our house. Unfortunately, this refrigerator is having an issue where it is puddling up water at the bottom, and so I think I have figured out a way to fix that issue. So let's get this video started. Alright, I'm gonna call my muscle in to move this bad boy. Muscle, come.
Okay. Okay, let's move this bad boy. Oh, somebody forgot the most important thing. This falls and breaks. We don't have that either. Okay. Oh, got my one more thing. Woo, that is heavy. How did this like?
So there's the drip pan, which this is the tube from the freezer that's supposed to be dripping into this, but as you can see it's completely dry, so essentially no water is even getting from the freezer into here to fill up in the first place. So yeah, so ultimately we have to thaw out the refrigerator and the freezer so that this line somewhere up in here, somewhere up in the fridge, it will eventually thaw out the ice and then the water can start dripping. So I think from here we're just going to have to give it some time and let it thaw out and start seeing this drip. If not, what I think we could probably also plan to do is maybe put some pipe cleaner up in here, like shimmy pipe cleaners, so that way we can maybe knock out some blockage or something in case there's something in there blocking it. But for now I think we're just gonna hopefully wait for a drip.
Hey guys, it's the next day. We had to wait for this thing to melt and then to get cold again. It seems like the issue is fixed. We got the drip pan to start catching water, so hopefully there won't be a puddle. We definitely will keep you updated once we put all these groceries in here and see what it looks like in a couple days from now. But for now, we are just gonna fill the fridge back up with all its tools and then put our groceries in it. So this is what our refrigerator looks like with just our snacks, veggies, and immediate breakfast food. It is already pretty full. Our cabinet over here is pretty full, and that is why we are super excited to have the extra refrigerator. And this is our extra freezer space and refrigerator space, and I'm super excited that there's still extra room because I plan to do a Sam's Club haul. I hope you like this type of video. Please give it a big thumbs up as it helps our algorithm. And if you'd like to watch another video, click here and subscribe over here. Have a wonderful day.